Morning, welcome to a really cold South Wales. We're measuring today again with Moasure. As you can see, I got some really awkward shapes here, some curves, I got the pond, and I got a lot of obstacles in the way. So Moasure is going to help me to calculate the area that I need to quantify for my slabs when I lay my patio. So let's just get on with it. So move quickly. Place it down between your finger and thumb. Obstacles don't matter. There we go, back out. And squeeze them in here. Go around the steps. Drawing a shape on there, look, for me as I'm measuring. We'll show you that now. There we go then. So I've drawn my shape, 14.14 square meters. I'm going to do this one now, this patio as well. Same principle. Walk quickly with it. And then back to the start point. There you go, look, Moasure did actually draw a line for me with a bit that I missed in the corner there. So it actually worked it out for me. So that is 27.45 square meters for that bit. And if you can see, this is a really awkward area. There's a lot of obstacles in the way. There's a lot of messing about and odd angles and stuff in it. So to get this exactly right on your tape measure, right pinpoint accuracy, is really difficult. If I was ordering slabs and I was using this a normal standard tape measure, then what I might find is I might have to order maybe a little bit more because I'm a little bit scared not to, you know, to get the order wrong. So this now is telling me exactly what I need. It's not costing me any extra for the slabs. I can get it absolutely spot on, and that is exactly what Moasure brings to us as landscapers. It's very, very useful. This is the third area we're measuring today. Again, you've got a corner piece there. So I'm going to use the Moasure. I'm going to calculate this area. Now, we need 600 by 600 millimeter slabs for the three areas that I'm measuring. And then there's a separate area of slabs that the customer wants different size. So we'll be able to measure that with a Moasure as well. So start a new job. Closed shape. Right, place at start. It's telling me it's all on the app. There we are. Off we go. Move quickly. Place it down and just rest it between your hands, your finger and your thumb. See how I'm just resting it? Here now, while Fraser's showing you that, and I can move off whenever I want to move off. I dictate the Moasure, not it dictate me. So I'm ready to go. There we go, back to the start point. So there we are, we've got 18.51 meters squared. 60.09 is the three areas that the Moasure's actually told me that I need for my square meterages, and that's absolutely spot on now. When I did it with a tape measure, I actually measured, and again, because I was fearful of under ordering, I actually over quantified. So I actually measured it up at 65, 66 square meters. So if I'd ordered the 65, 66 square meters, I'd actually have to pay for that area. So potentially it could cost me a couple of £100 extra that I don't actually need. So Moasure's actually saved me the money for doing a quick load of measurements. Very, very simple. I can save that to my phone now. I can save it and I can send it to my desktop. I can work with it in the office. It's got a 3D mode. It's got a volume mode, so I can check all the levels. I can check all my volumes. If I need to order a basin, I can use all those measurements, and I can use the Moasure app to let me decide how much I need in other quantities in measuring just once with the Moasure. So we're going to measure this section in front of us now, which is the path. Now, I wanted to measure that separate because these slabs are different size. What's that say, Frey?
8.67 square meters.
There we go. So we've got 8.67 square meters to measure this. These slabs are 900 by 600 slabs. So I've got all my quantities. I was a little bit fearful of ordering too many slabs. So that's why we've got the Moasure out. And for this type of thing, for us, it's brilliant. And we've also used it on the soil over there to quantify the volume for the soil. We put 6.5, 7 ton at the Moasure worked out for us, and it was absolutely spot on. That's what we needed. So get yourself a Moasure. It comes in really, really handy. It's a great tool to have in the back of the van. There will be in the description the discount code for you, so click onto that and get your Moasure. Let me know how you get on with yours, and see you on the next one. Cheers. Ta-da.